you're out in Grand Forks right now, the wind is gently blowing. We're seeing a mix of sun and clouds. It's a very picturesque afternoon, but it's also much cooler than yesterday. Yesterday, we were seeing highs in the low 80s at the bare minimum, thanks to plenty of sunshine across our region. But we had cloud cover this afternoon, which kept temperatures lower this afternoon. And otherwise, besides those cooler temperatures, it was a pretty good day overall. But we're looking at some more showers and storms, some of which could be severe tomorrow afternoon through Friday. Then we're going to take a break from the rain as we head into the last weekend of June before more rain chances and warmer temperatures move in next week. So let's go over why. Currently, again, temperatures are in the upper 60s in the northern half of our region, like 69 in Grand Forks, versus the low 70s in the southernmost portions of our region, like 70 in Fergus Falls and 73 in Alexandria. And that is in part because of some light northwesterly winds coming through, as well as that cloud cover that was keeping temperatures lower because it was blocking the sun's rays from reaching the ground and heating us up in the process. Other than that, high pressure is bringing dry, stable air across the region, ultimately leading to a gorgeous Wednesday afternoon. But we do have this area of low pressure to the west of us, and that low pressure system will push into North Dakota and eastern Montana throughout tomorrow afternoon and evening, bringing some instability and moisture across those areas. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center does have all of western North Dakota and eastern Montana under an enhanced risk right there. That means that's the area most likely to see severe thunderstorms capable of damaging winds, hail, and even the potential for tornadoes. As that low moves east, the severe weather threat starts to die down, but even overnight into Friday morning, most of our region does have the potential to see an isolated severe thunderstorm Thursday night into Friday morning. So we're going to be watching that carefully. But again, that means in our region, at least, an isolated threat of damaging hail and damaging winds in the process. So let's go over the details. Clear skies for most of tonight, just a few clouds and that's it. Expect an uneventful night. By tomorrow morning, we're still staying relatively clear, but we start to see a warm front lifting in from the west into our region, bring some showers and thunderstorms during the morning and early afternoon hours. Some more showers and thunderstorms possible as we head into the evening hours, as indicated by those orange and red colors. Overnight into Friday morning, a line of showers and storms moves in from the west into our region, and that'll be our opportunity for the strongest showers and thunderstorms to end up moving into our region. Again, the best opportunity for that severe weather opportunity. So we're going to be watching tomorrow night into Friday morning very carefully. Regarding rainfall totals, depending on where the strongest storms that are moving through, we could see at least an inch of rain, possibly more. So it is going to be a little bit busy if we're heading out tomorrow night into Friday morning. That's potential for severe thunderstorm activity. The last weekend of June, though, much better. Highs in the 60s. Next week, back in the 80s.
Warming up a little bit again, but none of that excessive heat we saw earlier this week.
Yes, we're at least taking a break from the heat.
Thanks, Joseph.